This viral dessert has completely taken over the internet, so I had to recreate it, but better, eggless, and extra gooey. Hello everyone, I'm a professional pastry chef and I'm gonna teach you how to make the most viral, most gooey, intensely chocolatey eggless chocolate lava cookie tin. This dessert is scoopable, fudgy, rich, and has molten chocolate in every single bite. And the best part, it's made with simple pantry ingredients, no condensed milk, no fancy egg replacers, no complicated techniques. Let's get started. First, in a large bowl, take unsalted butter. Please make sure it's at room temperature, soft but not completely melted. Using unsalted butter is important because it allows you to control the salt level in your recipe. To this, add powdered sugar, brown sugar. Powdered sugar gives structure and smoothness, while the brown sugar adds moisture and that deep caramel-like flavor. Now, whisk this really well. Don't rush this step. Cream it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes pale, fluffy, and smooth. You'll actually see the color lighten and the texture become airy. That's exactly what we want. Next, we'll add in yogurt and baking soda. The yogurt is our egg replacer here. It adds moisture, helps with structure, and reacts with baking soda to give slight lift while keeping the inside soft and gooey. Mix until everything is well combined. Now here's a small but very important step. Add the cocoa powder at this stage and mix it in. I don't add the cocoa powder with the flour because cocoa powder tends to form lumps. Mixing it directly into the butter mixture ensures it blends smoothly and gives you an even intense chocolate base. Once the cocoa is incorporated, add an all-purpose flour and baking powder. Now, gently mix everything together. Do not overmix. This is very important. Once the flour is added, you only mix until the dough comes together. The dough should be soft and smooth. It should resemble clay. If it feels too stiff, you've overmixed. If it's slightly soft but holds shape, it's perfect. Now, divide the dough into 6 to 7 equal portions depending on the size of your tin. Roll each portion into a smooth ball and stuff it with a generous chunk of good quality chocolate. Don't be shy here. That big chocolate piece is what creates that molten lava center. You can use dark chocolate for intensity, milk chocolate for sweetness, or even white chocolate for a surprise center. Seal the dough properly so that the chocolate stays inside. Take a 5-inch or 6-inch aluminum tin. Lightly line the bottom with parchment paper. You don't need to line the sides because the butter in the dough prevents sticking. Arrange the stuffed cookie dough balls inside the tin. Place them close to each other so they bake together and create that pull-apart cookie effect. Gently flatten the tops just a little. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 13 minutes. Now, this is the most important part. Do not overbake. When you take it out, the top should look set with a slightly crackly crust. The edges will be firm, but the center will still look soft. That softness is what gives you the lava texture once it cools slightly. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then the best part. Take a spoon and scoop right through the center. You'll see molten chocolate flowing out. The inside will be fudgy and gooey. The top will have that beautiful crust. It's warm, rich, intensely chocolatey, and honestly addictive. You can also bake this in ramekins, deep dish trays, or even individual small tins. Just adjust the baking time slightly depending on the size. The full written recipe with exact measurements is in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Like this video, leave a comment below and tell me what do you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.